Today I'm going to show you how to create this tote bag from scratch without sewing, so let's get started. For this project you'll need cotton canvas, a tube of speed sew fabric glue, fabric scissors, a ruler or measuring tape, pins, and an iron. Let's start by cutting out the two straps. Lay your fabric out on a flat surface and measure 26 inches long by 4 inches wide, then cut your first strap, then repeat this again for the second strap. Once the straps are cut, measure out 19 inches long by 17.5 inches wide for the body of your tote bag. Then repeat this one more time. Now that you have two straps and two sides of the tote bag, lay one strap out on a flat surface, then fold it in half lengthwise and iron it. Now unfold the strap and fold in both sides lengthwise to meet in the middle, then iron the sides down. Now with the two sides of the strap folded in, fold the strap in half lengthwise again, iron it, and then repeat the same steps on the other strap. Once both straps are ironed, grab your speed sew fabric glue, a Q-tip for a precise application, and a dish or container lid to squeeze the speed sew onto. Start applying glue to one side of the strap. Once the whole strap has been glued, apply pressure, then lightly pin the strap together, then repeat the same steps on the other one. Once both straps are glued and pinned, set them aside to dry. Now grab the two sides of the tote bag body and line up all four corners together. When you're aligning your two pieces of fabric together, make sure you have your two sides that you want facing out in the end facing each other, as we will turn it right side out after adding the straps and gluing it. Apply glue to three sides, leaving one end unglued as the opening of the tote bag. And as you're doing this, lightly pin both sides of the fabric together to ensure the fabric won't move while you're gluing the other sides. If you get some glue on your table while doing this, don't worry. Speed sew easily comes off hard surfaces with some friction. Once all three sides are done, let it dry for about 30 minutes. Once the glue has dried, you can remove all the pins from the tote bag and the straps. Now let's outline where the straps will be placed. Grab your ruler or tape measure and measure 2 inches down from the open end of the tote bag and draw a line across. Now measure 1 inch down from the line you just drew and draw a line across. Now from in between both lines, measure 5 inches inwards from each side and mark it. And repeat this on the other side. Grab your straps and align the ends with the marks you just made, and for a cleaner look, ensure that the seams of the straps are facing each other. Now to hide the rough edges and to secure the straps in place, fold the opening of the bag to the first line you drew, then fold it again to the second line and pin it to same place. Repeat the same process around the whole bag. Once you have folded the rough edges in twice around the whole bag, it's time to glue everything down. Remove one pin at a time and apply a generous amount of glue, then lightly repin and do this around the whole bag. For the straps, place the glue on top as well as underneath to ensure they will stay in place. Let the glue dry for about an hour or two, and then you can remove all the pins. It's now time to glue the straps one last time so they are facing the right way. Fold the straps up and apply a generous amount of glue and pin them to stay in place. And let this dry for about an hour or two again. After letting the straps dry for about an hour or two, you can remove the pins and turn the bag right side out. And just like that, you created a tote bag from scratch. Thanks for watching!